Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bingo Cash game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now in order to install this game on your PC, you will first need to install an Android emulator. In order to do this, open up your web browser and then type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official BlueStacks website. From here, just click on the download button to download the BlueStacks installer, and then open it up once it is downloaded. From there you can simply click on the next buttons in order to install the BlueStacks emulator on your system. Once it is installed, just open it up to access your Android home screen, and you can now open up the Google Play Store and sign in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, just tap on the search box and then type in Bingo Cash and start your search. Once you find the Bingo Cash game, go ahead and tap on it and you will now see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Bingo Cash game on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up and start your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bingo Cash game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.